The Goods and Services Tax (GST) was introduced in India on July 1, 2017, after years of discussion and planning. The GST replaced a complex system of indirect taxes that varied between states, with a single nationwide tax that applied uniformly across the country. The idea of implementing a national GST had been under discussion since the early 2000s, but it was not until 2014 that a bill was introduced in Parliament to create a framework for the new tax. The bill was passed in 2016, paving the way for the implementation of the GST the following year. Under the new system, all goods and services are taxed at four main rates: 5%, 12%, 18%, and 28%. Certain essential items such as food and healthcare products are exempt from the tax, while some luxury goods are taxed at higher rates. The implementation of the GST was not without its challenges, as businesses had to adapt to new tax codes and software systems, and there were initial issues with compliance and tax evasion.